Namaste. Today we are making this mini tissue box which you can actually use at home. Without more ado, let's get started. Starting off by taking a square sheet and folding it in half vertically and horizontally, both sides. Now you need to fold all the four corners towards the center and make sure you crease everything properly. The next step is to fold both the adjacent sides towards the center so that it forms the shape of rectangular, and we have to do it 2 times vertically and horizontally. If you would like to see more origami tutorials, then check out the playlist that I've created for you, link to which will be in the description box. After that, open one triangle and fold it 3 times inwards. One, this is 2 and 3. We need to do it on all the flaps. Now flip it over, and do you see these mini squares at the corners? We need to fold all 4 of them in half. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment. Also subscribe to Artscoop and press the bell icon so that you never miss on amazing craft projects. Also, just let me know if you would like to see more of these origami videos or scrapbooking or DIY videos or get to know me video. Just let me know in the comment section and I will deliver it to you. Now flip it over and push all the corners in each other so that it forms a shape of box. And then we will glue all of these flaps so that it stays in place. I have already cut 4 tissue paper in 4 equal parts and now I am just putting them in. See you next time. Bye bye.